Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how some lipsticks manage to deliver that perfect balance of vibrant color and long-lasting shine without drying out your lips? Well, today we've got something exciting to talk about. It's the Estee Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Hi-Lustre Lipstick in the shade 111 Tiger Eye. A stunning bronze with a gold pearl finish that promises a shimmer effect to leave your lips looking lustrous and full. Let's get into the details of this product. The Estee Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Hi-Lustre Lipstick is designed for all skin types and comes in a sleek stick form, making it super convenient for on-the-go application. The color Tiger Eye is a warm, rich bronze with a beautiful gold pearl finish that catches the light in just the right way, giving your lips a luscious, glowing appearance. And, as with all Estee Lauder products, it boasts a formula that promises a long-lasting wear, so you're not reapplying every few hours. Now, I tested this lipstick for a couple of days to see if it really lives up to the hype. From the moment I applied it, the smoothness was noticeable. It glided on effortlessly, and I didn't feel any tugging or dryness, which is a big plus for me. The formula feels creamy yet lightweight, which I appreciate because it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the lips. It has that perfect balance where it's not too matte, but not overly glossy either, just the right amount of sheen. As for the color, I have to say I'm impressed. The bronze tone with that golden shimmer really stood out, giving my lips a sophisticated, almost metallic glow. It worked beautifully with both natural and more glam makeup looks. I also noticed that even after drinking a cup of coffee or having a snack, the color didn't fade completely, which is a bonus. However, I did find myself reapplying after a few hours, especially after eating. Now let's talk about the pros. The texture is absolutely luxurious, and the shimmer finish is subtle, yet captivating. It's not overwhelming or glittery, but it adds just the right amount of shine. The formula is moisturizing, so it didn't dry my lips out, which is something I really value in a lipstick. And of course, the color is versatile. It works for so many occasions, from everyday wear to a more dressed-up event. On the flip side, one downside I noticed was that the lipstick doesn't last the entire day without needing a touch-up. It's definitely not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of lipstick. Also, while the packaging is sleek, the gold accents can make it feel a bit fragile. The cap clicks into place, but I do worry about it potentially getting scratched over time. In terms of value for money, it's a bit on the higher end, but Estee Lauder has a reputation for quality, and this product is no exception. If you're someone who values long-lasting shine and a luxurious feel, I'd say it's worth it. If you're on a budget, there are alternatives out there, but you'll likely have to compromise on texture or longevity. For comparison, a similar product might be the MAC Luster Lipstick, which also offers a satin-like finish and smooth application. While the Estee Lauder Pure Color offers a more refined shimmer, the MAC formula is a bit more affordable. The lipstick is well constructed with a sturdy tube, and the smooth application suggests that the product is carefully formulated to withstand the test of time. It's not a lipstick I'd expect to break or dry out quickly, but like all lipsticks, you'll want to keep it stored properly to avoid any potential wear and tear. If you're interested in trying something new and luxurious for your lip color, I would recommend the Estee Lauder Pure Color Long-Lasting Hi-Lustre Lipstick. It's ideal for those who want a combination of shimmer and hydration with the benefit of a wearable, flattering shade that can elevate any makeup look. The shade Tiger Eye is a great choice if you're into warm-toned, gold-infused hues. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.